Hello everyone, in this video we will briefly discuss about hirsutism. What is hirsutism? Basically it is the excess hair growth at unusual sites in females. Okay, it's very clear, excess hair growth at unusual sites in females. Okay, so let's see the concept behind this, like we do in every video. The hair are basically three types. It starts with the lanugo, then vellus, and then terminal. Lanugo hair are present in fetus. Then it converts into vellus kind of hair. What is vellus hair? It's generalized body hair. Like they are soft, coarse, and they are not very thick. The terminal hairs are the hair which are very thick. They can be long, they are strong, and they have high protein content, everything. What are the terminal hairs? Like the hair on the head, genital hairs. All these hairs actually are because of the androgens. Transformation of vellus hair into terminal hair are due to androgens. Generally in female the androgen are in less amount, so that's why the female have less terminal hair as compared to males. For example, a female after puberty, they have genital hair and the scalp hair. They are terminal, they are growing very well, but in females, in generalized body hair is less compared to male. Okay, after puberty. So due to increased androgen in females, the hirsutism happens. That is natural in males, but it becomes a problem in female. So this is how we describe the hirsutism. Now we already know that the reason behind this change is androgens. So let's talk about how androgen biochemically works. See, the androgen binds to a protein, that is sex hormone binding globulin, SHBG, synthesized by liver. In the blood, if you see, most of the sex hormones or androgens are bound to the SHBG, like this here. But some amount of androgens is free in blood, they are not bound, and this free androgen is only biologically active. The bound androgens are not biologically active. So let's see how, if the increase in free testosterone or free androgens will lead to hirsutism. So if the level of SHBG, that protein level, is decreased, then also free amount of androgen increase. So it also can lead to hirsutism. Or in generalized way, if androgens are increased in general way, then also the free androgens will be more. So this will lead to hirsutism. So these are the reasons. Decrease in SHBG. So these are the PCOD, Cushing syndrome, adrenal hyperplasia, growth hormone, higher amount insulin, prolactin, androgens. All these things will decrease SHBG, and that's why free testosterone will be higher, and this will lead to hirsutism. There is another condition also in which these protein levels are high, so there is less amount of free androgens available. That is pregnancy, high estrogen levels, liver cirrhosis, elevated thyroid hormones. So now you can see that the hypothyroid patients have actually very less kind of terminal hair. Their scalp hair is also a very less or lesser developed, and their eyebrow hair are also well less developed. Liver cirrhosis patient have also decreased terminal hair. Pregnancy, high estrogens. If you talk about males, when the levels of androgens is decreased in their life and future life, then also the the baldness will be increased in males. So this in this video we are talking about the hirsutism only. So how we treat the hirsutism? The most common cause for hirsutism in female is PCOD basically. So we want to treat the PCOD, and how we will treat? We will treat by the first line treatment will be combined oral contraceptives. What they will do? They will just decrease the pituitary hormone levels secretion, and then the LH will be decreased. So the LH is the only responsible to synthesize the androgens in ovary. So LH will be decreased. That's why this will improve the case. It takes around 6 months, of course. Anti-androgens are also available, but they have different side effects. Another agent is there, eflornithine hydrochloride. This will inhibit the enzyme ornithine decarboxylase, which is needed for development of dermal papilla. So this will also, it will used locally to decrease the facial hair growth in case of females. So this is in brief the hirsutism is there. Thank you.